Okay team, today we're gonna air fry some lobster tails in my Ninja Foodi XL grill. Coming up. What's up everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, so what are we doing here? Team, we're going real simple, real easy today. I got 4 beautiful, kind of small lobster tails from the grocery store. I'm going to show you how we prepare these lobster tails by cutting a slit down the back, pull out the meat from the inside, fillet it over the shell, and then cook it up that way. All right. We're going to use the air crisp mode, so you can do this on any air fryer you have. All right, we're going to use a temperature of 390. The time, it'll be set for defaulted for 20 minutes, but we're going to use our instant read thermometer on it. We're going to take them to about 130, brush them down with a little bit of clarified butter, a little bit of garlic in there, and they're gonna be money in the bank for sure. Trust me on that one. There ain't much more to do on this one. Don't want to over talk it, as my boy AB says. Let's get to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Okay team, we are here with our lobster tails. They're probably not much more than 3 or 4 ounces, but they'll be perfect for what we need to do here. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our little shears, and we're just gonna come up through the back. You can use a sharp knife for this if you want, but I want to go ahead and use my my kitchen shears for it. Then we're gonna kind of break it in the bottom and work our fingers in along the sides. We're trying to keep this all in one piece. We'll work your fingers through the sides. You see that? Get the other side. Oh, slippery little suckers. All right, but that's what we're looking for right there. I'm gonna put it out like this, kind of fillet it out over the shell, fillet it out. I don't know what the right word I'm looking for. Again, work your fingers down the side, separate the meat from the shell. Kind of squeeze it open so you can pull the meat out without totally taking it off the shell. Close the shell up underneath it, and there we go. So we got 4 perfect lobster tails right here. Like I said, they're itty bitty, but you know, take what the grocer gives you. Here's a little close up of them. Not entirely sure why some came out orange and some are just the normal white flesh, but they're perfectly normal. So before we start preparing those, let's turn on the Foodi Grill. We're gonna do the air crisp, 390, 20 minutes. Like I said, it's not gonna matter. It's gonna be less than 5 minutes probably. Hit start. We're definitely gonna keep an eye on these lobster tails, and we're gonna use our Thermopro instant read thermometer. Links down below in the video description if you wanna get one, and there's actually a coupon code for it. We're gonna use that to temp these out. Once they get to 130, we're pulling them, okay? Prepare them for the cooker. We're gonna use a little Pam cooking spray, a little olive oil. So we're gonna just spray the top of them, give them a little pinch of kosher salt on the top. Get a little cracked black pepper on the top of them too. And just to be fancy, we're gonna do a little smoked paprika. Now while we have these in the Foodi, I got some of this ghee, this clarified butter. We're gonna take some of that out, melt it down. We're gonna put a little of this minced garlic in it, maybe a little bit more salt and pepper in it, and then we'll baste it as we're after the first check. And then, like I said, it's gonna be really quick. All right, let's get these lobsters in there. Like I said, slippery little buggers. Space. Looking pretty good in there. I'm gonna get them going. Gonna take no time at all. All right, let's shut this down. Gonna check it after like 3 minutes. and then we'll keep an eye on it every minute or so after that. All right, we're 3 minutes in, looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and start taking some temps on these bad boys. 118. Yeah, like I said, it's only gonna be another couple minutes. That one was 130. Like, we don't want to overcook these, so I can't imagine it's gonna take more than a minute or so. Yeah. Okay. All right, so we have our little clarified butter with the garlic in it. Mix that up and just give it a little drizzle, just to help finish up the cooking. That good flavor on there. Gotta get some of that garlic on. There we go. All right. This to the side. All butter basted and delicious looking. Ain't gonna take more than another minute or so. All right, we're shutting down. All right, team, we let these go for a total of 6 minutes. We definitely got it to 130s where we want it. 137. So it's looking good. One last thing I want to do to these is just squeeze a little lime juice on them to kind of cut some of that fat. All right, let's get these out on the cutting board and we'll try them out. A little closer to them. Looking dang good. Love that color on them. It's gonna be tasty. All right, come on back. All right, team, we are done. Like I said, no time at all. 6 minutes, damn near on the dot. Got these to about 130 or so, but they're juicy, gonna be tender, full of flavor. It's glistening. It's that juicy and tender. You know it's good. Guys, these little air fryers, these indoor grills, they're just phenomenal. All right, they're just easiest way to get things done. Like I said, no time at all. This is gonna be a quick, easy video for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. That butter, the garlic, that smoked paprika on there, a little bit of that lime. It's freaking tasty, all right? Give this one a shot. Comment down below. Tell me how much you love it. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills or any Ninja product, hit that link down below to ninjakitchen.com. It's an affiliate link. You don't pay more for what you're buying on there, but it does help out the channel. So if you don't mind, check it out. The knives, the cutting boards, all that good stuff. There are links down below with coupon codes and all that good stuff. If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button that you should have already hit. Get your name immortalized at the end of CJ's videos for as long as YouTube lets us stay on there. All right, that's it for this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.